Hello everybody! Hi mga kabards! My name is Christine and my YouTube channel is all about sharing you amazing ideas for travel, beauty tips, skincare routine, and fashion. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Tacloban Barter community for allowing us, a small YouTuber, to grow and promote our channel. Thank you so very much. So wag na nating patagalin pa, pag-usapan na natin ang prices. Sure, you will love it, guys. One lucky winner will receive a Swarovski necklace. Ayan po siya. Bagong-bago. Ayan o, may plastic pa nga eh. Here you go. Plus 5 pieces of face shields. Ito yung brand ng face shield. 5 pieces of this and a necklace. Okay? Gusto niyo bang makita? Ayan po siya. Tada! Amazingly perfect. And 4 cancellation prizes. Hindi lang isa, but 4. So 4 will receive a 50 pesos each, a GCash or load. O, diba exciting? Since trending ngayon ang plants sa ating barter community, then my question is all about plants. What is the best indoor plant that aids relaxation and gives you a good night to sleep? O diba? Easy peasy. So how to join and win these giveaways? Madali lang. Like, subscribe, and comments down below your answers. And manood ng previous videos ko. I already have 5 videos. Malalaman ko na pinanood nyo ng buo ang aking video sa comment section. Kasi dapat ang comment nyo is related to whatever my video content is. And take note, every comment of it is counted to 1 entry. So pag pinanood nyo yung 5 videos ko, plus this one is already 6 entries. Okay? Mas malaki yung chance nyo manalo. And hindi lang yun. Meron pa kayong chance to share. So another share, it's another bonus entry. Okay? Just make sure to tag my name pag nag-share kayo para matrace ko siya. And by the way, ang aking intro video, it is not counted. That's why I said 5 videos. Kasi lahat ng videos ko is already 6. But the intro video, it is not counted. So, pag kahit mag-comment kayo doon, hindi ko kayo isasali sa raffle. And eto pa, so hindi mawawala yung surprises. Once my subscribers reach 500, mayroon pa akong pipiliin isang lucky winner for a surprise gift. O diba, walang katapusang surprises. So, update ko na lang ulit kayo for my another video para sa mga winners. And again, thank you so much. Magpapasalamat na rin ako in advance sa mga magla-like, subscribe, manonood ng videos ko. Don't worry guys, hindi kayo maboboard kasi may matututunan naman kayo dun sa mga papanoorin nyo. O diba? Thank you and stay safe. God bless everyone.